Hi, my name is Mike and I'm the skipper of Seefalke, and in our series Approach videos I would like to take you to Jacaré Village Marina in Cabedelo, Brazil. Marina Jacaré Village is strategically located in Rio Paraíba on Brazil's east coast. With only 1600 nautical miles from Cape Verde, it allows for the shortest possible Atlantic crossing and is a perfect stopover on your way to Patagonia or Cape Horn, or for destinations in the Caribbean. Located a few miles upstream in Rio Paraíba, Marina Jacaré provides great shelter. Far outside the hurricane belt, it is a perfect place to leave your boat also for a longer period of time.
Take my hands now, take him like they're yours. Show me what you imagine, draw it on the wall.
A good approach waypoint is buoy number 2, 6 degrees 56 south, 34 degrees 49 west, from where you can easily enter the buoy channel into the river. Watch out for the lighthouse Pedra Seca, but keep well clear of it. Stay in the channel. Be aware that Brazil belongs to Region B. This means entering the channel, port marks are green and starboard marks are red. When you come closer, another well-visible landmark are the silos and tanks of Cabedelo port. This is the estuary of Rio Paraíba looking to the south. On the left you see Cabedelo with its commercial port. In the distance, João Pessoa, the capital of the state Paraíba. The big river island in the foreground is Restinga. Make sure you keep it to the starboard. Stay in the channel. The channel is dredged and its edges are steep. The channel is buoyed and lit until Cabedelo. As you move upstream to Jacaré Village, just keep in the middle of the river and you'll be good. The tidal difference is about 1 to 1.5 meters, but the current is significant, so if you can, try to arrive with the tide.
Take my hands now, take him like they're yours. Show me what you imagine, draw it on the wall.
The marina provides 2 welcome pontoons where you can go alongside. It is recommended to wait for the tide to turn to pull into your assigned berth. Each berth is equipped with mooring lines. Call the marina on VHF channel 68 and the helpful staff will help you with the lines and tug assistance if needed. Alternatively, you can anchor in the river or use one of several mooring buoys. Just remember when you drop your anchor that you're in a tidal river and allow the anchor to dig in properly.
Take my hands now, take him like they're yours.
The marina provides 45 berths, a yard with 10 to 15 spots on land, and a haul-out facility for boats up to 15 tons. The haul-out process is professional and safe, but can only be done during high tide at zero current. Each berth has water and electricity. The lobby provides a bar that offers breakfast, lunch and dinner, showers and restrooms, a little library and a laundry service. The marina also offers excursions to nearby sites and cities. If this is your first port in Brazil, you have to go to Immigration, Polícia Federal, Customs, Receita Federal, and the port captain, Capitania dos Portos. It is important that you keep this order. You have 2 days to clear in. If you have cleared in Brazil before, you just need to register your arrival at the port captain. Please check the website of the marina for up-to-date details. Jacaré Village is a sweet little fisher village with some tiny markets and a small restaurant. There is a train station that provides train service to Cabedelo and João Pessoa. Major supermarkets are 1.5 kilometer walk or in driving distance. Uber is cheap and reliable. The next international airport is Recife, about 2 hours drive away. We hope you have an enjoyable stay in Brazil and have a safe voyage wherever the wind may take you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.